Hello, abusuafoɔ. Ɛnɛ ma me ne wo nni nkɔmmɔ mfa language and development anaa language and education. President Mahama, President Mahama ama directive bi ama Ministry of Education sɛ ɔnka nkyerɛ Ghana Education Service sɛ henceforth ɛfiri saa berɛ kɔ yi ɔmomfa local languages ɛnkyerɛ adeɛ ɛwɔ all primary schools, basic schools in Ghana. Na saa asɛm yi bɛtɔ odwa yi mahu sɛ nnipa bebree ɛkyerɛ ɔmo adwene fa ho. Na mbo mewɔ teacherfoɔ group bebree mehwɛ sɛ ne ɔmo kyerɛ ɔmo adwene fa ho a ɛho abɛhia sɛ yɛdi ho nkɔmmɔ na yɛhu the role of language in development, the role of language in education. Kwan bɛn so na kasa ɛwɔ nsunsuansoɔ wɔ yɛyiedie yɛpuntuo sɛ ɔman anaa sɛ yɛkyerɛ adeɛ ne yɛbɔ bra sɛ yɛpɛ sɛ yɛkɔ yɛnim sɛ abibiman anaa Africa no. Menuanom, saa asɛm yi a president ka yi mehu ne sɛ akyɛ koraa. In fact, kɛse sɛ ka yɛn nyinaa yɛgye to mu na mpo yɛpɛ kwan a yɛbɛtumi ama one of yɛn local languages bi a baako anaa mmienu bi abɛyɛ even the official language a yɛbɛ use wɔ nation no de ayɛ biribiara all official things. Na saa conversation no megye sɛ ka wei yɛgye to mu a ɛfiri hɔ a yɛsɛ yɛkɔ the next sɛ yɛyi yɛkasa ne baako anaa mmienu bi de ayɛ national language na yɛayi colonial language for foreign languages na yɛuse saa presently. Nneɛma meka wei ni sɛ nhwehwɛmu research ne adesua declare the role languages play in development. Akyerɛ sɛ ɔman bi a saa bere wiase ɛwɔ yi ɔman a ɔmo se ɔmo atu mpɔn ni biara ni hɔ a ɔdevelop yɛ a ɔde foreign language ebiara ni hɔ. Mmɛma menhyɛ aseɛ wopa kɔ Arabs no so, from Arab countries no to Europe obiara ni hɔ to the Asian targets na ɔmo from Asian targets ebiara ni hɔ a wɔdevelop wɔ saa bere wiase a ɔde foreign language. In fact, wosua industrial development history na industrial revolution country ɔde hyɛ aseɛ ɔmo se ɔdevelop kan yɛ wɔ Britain. Industrialized way, or what they call advanced economy no. Or no, now we use one language. But language usually more than this say by education so I say correct idea same father this year say sa kasa wo de kyerɛ no ɛne ne ɔmo ka ne fie nyɛ pa first wo limit nte ase a wo kasa no ɛwɔ adesua mu afei so wo limit ne creativity ne innovation say ɔnwene bibi na ɔmfa bibi nka ho a wontimi nyɛ adesua daadi saa ne mai adesua daadi nti ɛyɛ me nwanwa sɛ nkɔfo bebree dwen sɛ saa da asɛm na ɛka ɛde haw bɛba. In fact ɛyɛ ade a ɛde mpuntuo ne nkɔsoɔ ɛbɛbrɛ ɔman wɔ adesua mu ne yɛ man nyinaa ka nkɔ. Nti ɛnɛ ma me no ni ho nkɔmmɔ na menka what the research or theories ne experiences. In fact ma yɛ kyɛkyɛfo na me mmerɛ bi na me form master na me class na me hwɛ so na visual art na teacher baako kyerɛ mathematics. Nkora no de bɛtu ma nim sɛ maths na ɔmo teacher ne kyerɛ no nkɔ mu yie saa. Nti me call as form masters ɛyɛ yɛhyia. Nti me hyia nkora no na me sɛ o maths teacher no nkɔ yie saa. Nti ne me yɛ ne sɛ me ne maths teacher me ko hu maths teacher ne di nkɔmmɔ sɛ nkora no sɛ nkɔ yie o. Nti sɛ wo biribi a obetimi ayɛ a na so all right ɛne ɔbɛhwɛ ne obetimi ayɛ sɛ bi a ɔbɛpɛ kwan bi so na wayɛ na bi a ɔmate aseɛ. Nti me hyia class captain no so form master class captain no so ɔmo leader sɛ ɔno so efiri na ekoi wɔn hwɛ sɛ ne teacher ni ne kyerɛ adeɛ ne nsesa abam ne ɔmo aso nte aseɛ. Na wei na me ne ɔmo kaayɛ akyire na me ma days bi na me ko bisa class captain sɛ ade kyɛ ne te sɛn na ɔso sɛ de ekoyie paa sɛ de obi a nim sɛ ekoyie ɔmo te aseɛ paa. Afei na me call teacher ni sɛ teacher me sɛ me hu sɛ nkora na ka kyɛm sɛ wade kyerɛ no yɛ kama paa ɔmo ani gye ho na ekoyie. Na teacher ne sɛ na ɔka kyerɛ me sɛ ma menkyerɛ o trick ma yusu kwan a mafa so ama sisi ɔmo te aseɛ no. Ɔka kyerɛ me sɛ ɔde local language a twi yɛ hɔ no baabi ɛwɔ no twi na ɛka. Nti wɔsi sɛ ɔde twi ɛka mathematics no ho na ɔde akyerɛ man nkora ne te aseɛ. Abusafo we nyɛ isolated cases because somebody ka kyerɛ sɛ the research no ɛne nhwɛmu amayɛ no ɛda declare. So this is only buttressing na teacher fo bebree sɛ wɔ need how obehu. But net that teacher ni no ye from another ethnic group nti na ono no ntimi na onti na onyusu twi o ka brofo pa most of the time o de kyerɛ de a na man na no I can cite many examples in my schools and elsewhere. Na research no ye clear abusuafo in fact so wo kira akra de na enye ono ane kasa a oka ne fie no a den so obete ase afezu kra no manti mate se teacher for bi say o na be da twere exams ni obrofo nti e twere ni twi a million before akra be twere exams no ese ote ade na ase content na ese o kira ade ase menti ade ase be da twere ti se na me man me school for so onti mass na ase a onti ade na ase obe da kwatwere na wanze wode twi kan ho kire say o mate mass ni timi twere ko mani then and that is the truth of it. And so say the brofo chira de kora even to the highest level of anyway schools nyinamu. Near research in fact my education so yeah say education you mu bebre mu amoye teacher for mu nim say you are going through BBFN PLC professional learning community. We call senior high in there your whole book which is well structured compared to the primary JSS no omo de no nhyɛ da nyɛ more omo yɛ de but yɛ de no yɛ more structured in a way than omo de no your coaches no nyinaa ne nneɛma ne a lot of monitoring and all those things but the ones you bebre nim the theoretical theories behind it then they say yeah bibi is a PLC na no me ba wo teacher adwuma wo mo from fie kakra yi na yɛ nyɛ sa I didn't know na yɛ be bebre misasa na ne abeda di ni say theories a useful education no your behaviorism or your cognitive or they say ne omu use modern theory of education you use the child pa do even constructivism na sa ankofo no constructivism theory no abedadi in fact that is the theory behind practice na no they say PLC no constructivism no ma dedi say kase obi akọ school and obi sua de a the sua should be embedded in the culture of the person. It should be embedded in the context, the environment, and also it should be embedded in the local realities or local needs. And say at the end, the environment was and it is professional learning community peers na who group community of practice. They say the pa no say culture no baby a watch no say what culture no say what context no and this will be more language in the culture, so language is critical part of culture. Se kasa make me educate you na kasa make no culture na make no reality examples no nye ne wo society ni mu a this will be create and now be innovate at the end of the day sabe ka ni hu ni mfaso okra ne e pa che nyina ne se dem fa Ghana ni a wako school any Chinese ni a wako school and Japanese ni in the first place Japan ni no ko school a niema e wo ho nyina even to say Britain ni no so ko school a or don't know he's being educated in his own language, in his own culture, in his own bibia fa ono no ho. By the end they say colonial education ti colonial master and the more ne kasa na ye or the even wudin kura wasesa no or the niema bebre wasesa no kwan ya fa so ye culture ye practice niema bia senior high or mobile practices na ne niema ntare so mu ye broni no culture indika how define by constructivism theory no e ba je say kan no nya education. How constructivism for say ntiase e education mu the dominant theory is na opa kire nti na ye PLC no nti na ye group ye ho ye niema bi say be sua de free. That is the concept. Say and teacher na ye facilitator no, that is the whole concept. Nti ka obi educate you na say be you free language mu or you free culture mu aka say be kan nya education because na sa wo do wi a utimi fa nya hwe. Nti ubahwa ye how bebra ye wo no ye no ye nsadan transe nhwe how ne fareban ba bi efiri ba nti nkofo bebre ka zo Ghana vo ye wie square ntimi nya hwe ne ye million fareban ni bi no language no ne culture ne examples ne niema a omo de ma ye no enye ye ha de nti ubeda improve upon wo niema ye wo ha nti once nti so Britain equal school a ono niema omo ma ne examples ne niema omo ka nyina e fa ne ho nti obedi hu bibi approve. By the end of the society, realities in the Ghanaian society, no, a different language, you sukofie, a whole different things. But in the amount comprehension and research, and the amount any innovation is limited. In this idea way, can you look at as teachers, and say, so many years no, at the end of president, I know, even extended to all levels, not even as a nation, because development, there's no country developed with a foreign language. Some of them, say, learn foreign language as a subject. You go China say they learn some. You go Germany say they learn something, but they are using the purpose required for business transaction. It's not for understanding. Say person you call for the 10 year masia. Now even for politicians, no. We say do election, no near man who hears ana. Omo can local language in the channel. Omo kasa wo de no. Key members now with the political or bagan or kaga or no quantity more obi aka. No, I watch us all. Actually, I say, we more that this says, oh, yes, sir. No communication, no, your audience. There's audience, no, what audience, Casa Oka. Nay, dear, Kaisa, they know your foreign imposition, a importation, or be a implantation, or be a share. That's all the. Nay, it was all to serve a colonial agenda. Obronino ne botaye na opese oye ne botaye was or person exploit ye or person o ma idodo na niye no press ye na o ma o change ye reshape ye yadwen te na be ya obekoso etoye edi enso nti se obehwa nti niema ne bebra sabre ye kafa language president policy ni nyina in fact a reflection of the programming or the conditioning or the indoctrination colonization is slavery na nya we so Ibu bebre again say bia ne aba ne we are explaining and no abusafo ne wo ne say nti na me ma example no European countries no Germany German for kan German that is their primary language uko English so they speak English uko countries Europe so small countries the Finland Ireland Norway no many animal they are all small but omo kasa omo de sa kasa na chira de e chire science bibia everything they use it na no na mo develop we bebre kwa English no but onka because that is not their that is not what makes them to develop omusua as a language a foreign language omusua bi say be for business transactions no for that but for development purpose there is a more local language indigenous language you know in the say example is clear now no say okay say America kwato say Afghanistan so or after 2 decades no omo ye call ye the English ne whole change ne omo revert back to the Arabic to the Islam because omo ti ase say sadie no na be mo develop akoso ultimi cover foreign na yibi na so dey koso eno nyina ka ho na ama ya ka chi eba development na ndi niema bebra ye respond say nkasa ye ka nyina is a programming ne bronyi no ba ye ne say or condition ye kire yen say ye de ye kasa ye bibia enye na wo form in fact Ghana ni bia ne ye obi a wa school be o ka brofo na ohun so ye civilized or ye intelligent ye na da they say ameka brofo a in the Chinese ni nka China and ye intelligent in the what's a brony na ye say wa ma ya dwene say intelligence is measured in his language but that is not true. But you know it. And it's like a German for English. It's like a French for English. If his intelligence is measured. But Nebroni is our foreign languages, imposed language, implanted languages, imported languages, no? Am I in this way say, Uko Africa baby or French, baby or Portuguese, baby. And you be say in the Nieka Portuguese, you know, or no dream say English a good English language manana. Once a colonialization, no? Ne sabe se ekoso yusu sa de kira de ye ne ma chese still ye de dan kwasum omo toye wo ya adwemu ndi ne waye no ka chese ye yi ye hu free ye se ne ya set ye sovereignty ye independence na ne wo ne se nti wo hwe kasa ye kana e no kire because once what the share team se ne de na experience or the say team say ne de na ma wo ye intelligent we look civilized nti wo hwe se ne argument na bebre kana but ye mu bebre adwen say we are thinking no it's a response to the programming is a chese niema bi akoso no wa condition na wo react keke. It's a reaction. It's like a stimuli. Who respond to the stimuli. Behavior is a response to a stimuli. Na ye act keke. And you know what they are implanted what the side ya team my agile to men school no ya koso use if you as a nation ye use in the who say yentimi for any local language nchirade yentimi for a local language any law yentimi for a laws na based on it no na ton ma ye na na reflect no anything na ma yes na ye den no the psychologically is deeply implanted in us. Now, no so na my we should be clear on it. Now, development history and the economics are and no country be of as you can't do that. In the China, English, they develop because they say why a threat to America. No, come on, this far. They couldn't have developed with this, with all the complexities and all those things. Nti abusuafo, but indoctrination Africa for your program here, your condition here, nti ma ya gine ma bi adi wo surface no, baka de na ade na ya chi saade. Nti ubahwe European history na wachire ma ye hu omo de say superior. Nti we are proud to be speaking it. Rather than say ye hu say a sign of slavery and indoctrination. I just say ya adwin mu no ye nye ye ho. And that is the truth. Na development actually nti one year sa wuntimi nkoso. Nti mame nti abusuafo nti was still ye look to these languages nti utie obinim kwa say lingua franca no. Nti Portuguese Angola, some part of Africa kano, and even Brazil no kano. Do you think it is omuhuni say English is a lingua franca for them? No, niye colonial languages. Kabroni na ma sabe ka sabre nti ye fanse sabre ka Chinese vo bedi so awun se ka Mandarin na e be yusu. Nti da ka yusu Mandarin na e be dwen se no na e sibla e na e papa minu no ye nada enye no kore. Research no ye clear on that. Minu nti muma ye hu se indigenous language nka na ye nse betimi de akra de aye bibia. Isn't it surprising say nkofo e ka se ye ntimi fa nkra de na e ba religion dia indigenous language bia o man translate religion to it. But when it comes to development, there are issues who hear the other or more actually may adjust to me say for a local language. Because yentimi for exams. Oh, minianum. Ebraso, anything I hear saying any beba. Look examples all around me. All the examples in development, in theory, in research, and so yeah, cancer for. Meaning, my embra as educators. Now, say education, I clear constructivism at trend say, so who you educated, you should be educated in your culture. You should be educated in your local language, which is part of culture. You should be educated in your context. Or honor the enkasa moka. Over every Ghanaian community, there's a local language. And this language, no matter what indicate to be was first. What factors and your better say no bit my creative. Neka any school by constructivism it shows it's not a school, and that is the truth. Now might be a develop be our do no any casa any education. Numerous European countries in yes, almost bemba almost obia opa when there's European Union meeting, obia can French nibeka Polish niba Canada, Irish niba Canada, obia be Canada, no way niba Canada. Na yenkwa de adentia esanse nkofo bi bekyere no mo de ase ya adweme hu say yi ebra so say ani yemra as educators a teacher for yeka perception yeka 5 senses of perception. Do you know perception is based on language and culture? Nkrano adia nkrano timi pay attention to omutimi interpret how they describe their experience. Ni nyina is based on the culture and the language. And this is how the language be. Language is so critical to education and development. And this is a perception, no, which is the 5 senses, no. Send your interpreter who are doing is based on the culture and the language you are using. I don't know who use foreign language. In the universe is here, we perceive, we think, all those things are done in the language. And this is how use foreign or imported languages are. I just say, how will you think? How will you reason? How do you see things? Nina is affected. Indeed, that is why the Ghanaian child or the Ghanaian adult finds it difficult to do well, to solve problems and challenges of our society. Yamla teacher, you can conceptualize it. Send a concept, you're describing your mature your mass. No, language shapes the concepts. When you say a word be a certain language, concept it doesn't exist. So where the bisu wo concept be wo so it makes the concept into language affect concept. Na ye teacher for ye concept. Na ka ye the foreign language ye kwa na ka say president say no sa dey effect say na ye tia say form nyema describing nyema nyina. Binuanum. And language affects concept. Concept is based on a language. Yemra nyema me ka education concept and nyema ye ka education perception. Send a share near my hunyama interpreting yama. Minianum in the attention, send your language in a kind of cranny attention on something categorization, grouping, the language be certain words nima. It means you cannot find it there. Nendi say yenya language see words be woma any brofum. In fact, I'm told even ever say or a lot of letters cry any brofum. Quiz will be your near any brofum. This no how do you concept it in we try to find a replica, but all these things nipano adria kobet madria say anyhow. Teacher movement to make educational type perception, conceptualization. Another one is cognition. The teacher me yeka cognition, yeka mental processes are brain use to the acquire any processes store and no use information. All these things are based on language. And it's always foreign languages. The language affects how cognition, even send ye adrenal function, send ye adrenal drain, affecting no. In the rest of crowd or Tifiana, ye can in indigenous language or go school, ye can't be before. Ye can be before. And all these things add up to our complexity. No, you are using a language that is affecting our adrenal function. Send your adrenal interpreter there, the cognition, your perception, your attention, your memory, your reasoning, your problem solving. Send your brain no solve problem. Your kasana what they can affect any part of send your bit solve. Nintia says send your reason, send your make a decision. Niema is so shiny ye. As my own example, which as I wish I will be a gun and any be only doing a person who age. Oh, wedding fears and walk out free him. Because our profound almost west, no, is that important to them? Those things may not be important because in their culture, no, it is community and individualistic. It is senior and senior who may be a person who is quite different. You should be language, and it was all to serve colonial purpose in answer may exploit may person reshape may person over cost. It is a savvy or the language barrier, it was to cut off development from many of our people. So country be a moi kasa dodo na ate no ene na edi carry development. Maming fama wonfanto say wo ye nipa 10 na wo kasa kire na nipa 9 nipa 1 penete sa kasa na how do the rest of them do? Na sa ne broni ne ye o ye ne se nti ko bi o ye ne se ne be ya be kasa bi a wo bete sa language na se this what go through in school ni institutions no na institutions na dodo anko. An institution everywhere in the world. Higher education, elsewhere, even Europe, America, Nipa don't go to the formal education, go to the highest, only a few. In this opposite develop as so use language or contribute to access to. Now use way affected. In the addition, and make a teaching, the cognition is affected. The cognition is who remember memory or is affected. Into the language we are this is one root cause of it. And language is the reason why we are failing. We are failing to solve our problems. Many of the journey, you can mental models, the internal frameworks you use to the TV as language in the mass language is not for communication. How we interpret, how we understand, how we deal with the world in worldview, it is based on language. Na madika just say who perceive is based on language. Say na process language thinking is based on language. It is a who you so be language ye foreign. I won't say you be culture. It is affecting you directly. You know. Ndi ma yani ma ho. Na sanity ndi say almost 21st century skills. Omoka creativity make up first forces creativity, communication, collaboration, critical thinking. Creativity is based on a culture. Communication, so their audience, no, kasabe no utimi. Into who communicate, the first thing is to establish the audience, no. Ne kasabe ne Ghana hayate among ourselves and every community. Low indigenous language nipa do donate. In this who use foreign language, the year plan and the year law. What cut a lot of people from the development. And your bad education as well. In fact, in education, you can cognitive load. A dream kunya ema krati ades effective comprehension. Na ka cognitive load na adichem say na ya temu 3. You what we call intrinsic load, na what extrinsic load, na what germine load. Germine or germine load. Ya ka intrinsic na say language is an intrinsic kasa na wo dey man intrinsic na inside and material no sa ade na kwa betia ya issue the intrinsic no chese ade na no nye den ana kasa wo dey kan no it will be a load for him. And in the match say additional research chese so we use language or no one can fear first affecting adwich na say no betia ade na say aye load na no kura so say ya yemfa say akabode bode Ye body ye kwache me plantain. I have to na adwin mu so ye free bandwidth. Adwin no wo ni otimi hold at a time or at a play otimi store no capable. Na sa bandwidth nzeze wache me plantain me kwatwere. Body me kwatwere. But you say asa chem se plantain ye body or plantain no ye body. In the say akra no instead of say ye chem se body any uses ni yes interpreting in another language and it's increasing the cognitive load. So keep away on top of it. Only if you himself anybody or go school yes planting and not planting. As he says, oh keep away, so now remember. Na no load. The man tia cognitive load, emano. Na ka genuine load, so it's based on motivation and culture, no. In the near ma akra ni hu na ni je hu no timiti ase no. So who is foreign language? Emma when you motivated to learn. And that affects comprehension. Can affect comprehension and creativity and innovation. You have increased the load. A dream is limited. And that will make some mentia dia some creative. Mentia dia some innovative. Obi a won nima dia ntia dia say how does he use it in any way? How does he apply it? In the Abuja near president as I say man mopa but it's just right. As a man who are dream when they expanding on Abuja one thing akachi. Because everyone let me say globally the economy we have research every country that has developed. Their main indigenous language is dominant. They may learn others for business purposes, for other things. But that should not be the main thing. So, open development. As any politicians, campaign or language, that should be. Support because it's long overdue. Because I PTA meetings are in a place that is a kind. The parent didn't understand anything. And the woman was wrong because communication audience in the first. The place of development, the tower building of the tower Baba building. Also one language they were able to build. And that is the value of language. The language and in the name of mine now research is clear. All the countries that have they developed with one language, common one. These times ebe use here indigenous language, foreign languages and a colonial language. What not for interest. And then you guso use name when say civilized. How can you say obi language is civilized? Ebi language and mommy me intelligent. How? I mean, wisdom or intelligence is not in a language. In fact, I should say, wisdom pioneer is in a language, indigenous language, because I don't know what here. But instead, so-called intelligence are not civilized. That is not in a foreign language. It's rather in your indigenous and local, because the wisdom, the sense, the cognitive, the perception, the mental models, the cognition, the constructivism. The way into the constructivism say, oh yeah, they are from the local, the content, new reality, because perception is based on culture and language. Cognition is based on culture, and the mind in the work is based on culture. Now, my research, with the pictures too, actually different cultural group, but they understand is different. And that should be clear to us. Therefore, the main is a yen to they accept it. Never bore mine a coson and uncanco. Nessa, as I'm 10 years in a way. Therefore, this is a policy, who here pa, say adapt, no never my can call a coso. But this is a name actually would be called Adwinbimu. We are church of who say all your theories you learn is to support the local use of indigenous language for development. Then that is what the concepts, the theories have said. Because perception, or senses now, what channel, the eye, the visual, and then the auditory is based on language. Or cognition is based on that. Mental models is based on that. Mental frameworks, all the things of education is based on a language and a culture. It is a foreign it is a confusion. It's one of the ways to get us to develop. The moment you embracing, they support, they even ask for a bigger one. Others have done it, and so should we be. Yes, so I'm for fire. Nasana say yes, say per se mine because what? Medase. Me just say what the name I be quite many or been for Dante. Medase.